It's a great day for keto. My name is Liftar, and I'm bringing you today's keto tip. Welcome. Today's keto bite, keto and heart health. You don't go to an appliance repair when you want your car fixed. And even then, when you go to get your car fixed, you might want to go to a specialist for your car. For instance, if your transmission is messed up, you go to a specialist in transmissions. Going to a doctor that doesn't know about keto is the same thing. If you're going to ask a doctor, at least ask a dietary specialist. Having a DR after the name doesn't mean they know anything at all about your area. Medicine is a huge, wide, big area. That's why they have specialists. So the doctor you ask about your diet may not know any more than your hairstylist. Within some circles, there's some controversy about the long-term effects of the keto diet, and that's fine. Virtually any reasonable diet is okay for a while, though. People go on diets without even meaning to all the time. You read stories about people who get trapped in an earthquake or another disaster, and they may go for days without food because they're trapped somewhere. They come out, they start eating, and they're fine. Short term, over a few months, keto's the same food your ancestors probably ate around the fire in small tribes 4,000, 5,000, 8,000 years ago. Keto and heart health go way back together. If you want to be on keto for years, then you might want to consult with a medical specialist. If you're starting out with a serious health problem relating to blood sugar or heart disease, then you might want to consult with someone. Other way to do that is just to start into the diet very, very gradually. Neil Chukshi, who's an MD at Penn Medicine, had this interesting tidbit about getting into ketosis. Quote, "What some people may not know is that sleeping, and not just the diet, can cause the body to go into ketosis. Assuming it's 8 hours of sleep and no food is consumed for 3 or 4 hours before going to bed. I think that's a more natural way of inducing ketosis, which is to go to bed slightly hungry and not full. Then when you wake up, you have the effects of ketosis, a decreased hunger drive. For most people, that's the way I encourage them to diet." So here, Dr. Chukshi is encouraging intermittent fasting. He feels that the body actually goes into ketosis every night if you don't eat for around 12 hours total. He feels that this practice, plus not overeating in general, is the best way to go, and it probably is. But keto can get you there. If you want to lose weight fast or bring your blood work into line, keto can get you there pretty quick. If you want to be on keto for life, then you might want to look at your overall balance of macros. Short-term weight loss is different from going on a long-term diet. There is some evidence that for some people, long-term denial of carbs is not healthy, and it's by your genetics. It depends on you. It's an individual thing. So if you go on keto for long-term, you may want to gradually bring your level of carbs up. But again, we're talking about high-quality carbs like very healthy vegetables. That will keep you in the healthy zone. And that's today's Keto Bite. If you enjoy these bite-sized tips, then come on over to rockthatketo.com and sign up for fabulous recipes, how-to tips, and inspirational stories of people who have lost weight or gotten healthy for the first time in their life. If you're ready to dive in and start losing serious weight, we have a foolproof 30-day plan all laid out for you. You can start losing weight today. Come on and check us out at rockthatketo.com, and we'll see you next time.